1986 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the front grille, chrome on the bumper, headlight surrounds, looking good up front. Original doe skin colored truck. Has had a repaint along the line because it's doe skin and bright red, two-tone combination now. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of the truck, all at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website, and that's if you're seeing it on YouTube. So like I said, on YouTube, down below in the description, there'll be a link there. Click on it, take you right to our website. Number to call, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the Chevy wheels, Goodyear Wrangler RTS. Tires on there. Let's take a look down the passenger side here. Interior is also a doe skin cloth. And you can see the paint shows well. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Carfax doesn't indicate any accidents on it either. Take a peek at the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side and start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take this truck for a drive, take it down the road, show you how it drives out at the very end of this video, so stick around. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Looking good. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online, top to bottom, every angle, inside and out. If you like Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here, from the very early ones to the late models. Unique Classic Cars is that website. Check out all the still pics. Of course, these videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. If you can come see us in person, as we take a look up and down the driver's side. Also, you can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Spray in bed liner coating onto the interior. So red door panels carrying the two-tone theme throughout the truck. And then a cloth and vinyl combination. Bent seat. Let's go ahead and fire this truck up. Technician did note there was a couple little things he wanted me to mention, let you know. We'll need some TLC as the blinkers on this truck. Had him working on the driver's side, but not the passenger. I believe he also said this battery light will stay lit. Got it on and off a little bit there. Top of the dash. The 350 does have a mild comp cam in it. The door closes nicely. So we got a little rumble coming out of this small block Chev. Let's slip up to the front. I'll get the hood open. Check out this engine bay, take a peek at the 350, and also take it for a drive at the very end. If you want to see how it drives out, stick around. Underside of the hood and engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes. Got 350, 4-barrel on it, and again, mild competition cam. Battery disconnect right over here when it's in storage or in between drives. Smooth running V8, and it's got a nice little rumble to it. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside, uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you can check out all the still pics. Phone number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1986 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Looks like kind of fresh paint. Really nice condition outside and inside. This is an automatic on the column. Let's see how she does on the highway. This truck has a nice rumble to it. The wipers are working on this truck. The blower motor also working. Speedometer is working. Our fuel gauge is showing a little less than quarter of a tank. The carpet to me looks quite new. It's in really good condition. The right turn signal indicator works. The left one does not appear to work. If I let go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight in the lane. Good road feel for this truck. Very stock feeling to me. Original factory kind of a feel. Power brakes working as they should. Brakes smooth, brakes straight. This truck actually stays kind of level in the corners. Turns as you would expect for an 86 Chevy C10. The kickdown is working on that automatic transmission. Nice looking bench seat, very comfortable, cloth top. It's not going to be too hot like some of those vinyl seats. Really a good looking truck. Take a look at all the pictures, learn everything you want to know about this Chevy C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.